Daily news headlines. Body of woman, silent found in house at Nihal Bihar area. Monsoon preparedness. Gurugram traffic cops identify over 51 waterlogging spots. This is not time for blame game. CM. Rain exposes poor drainage system. Heavy rain led to waterlogging traffic snares in city. Commissioner interact with 950 policemen. A body of 20-year-old woman along with her minor children was found under suspicious condition at their house in Outer Delhi's Nihal Bihar area on Sunday. Police say that they suspect woman's husband behind the killing since he has been missing from the house. According to police, PCR call regarding the murder was received around 11:30 am, following which an emergency responsive vehicle was dispatched for the spot. On reaching the spot, the woman identified as Preeti. Her 9-year-old son and 5-year-old daughter were found murdered at their house in Shivram Park, Nihal Bihar area, said a senior police official. Meanwhile, a canon, the GCP Outer District said that a case of murder case has been registered at Nihal Bihar police station and further investigation is going on. As a part of monsoon preparedness, the Gurugram Traffic Police have identified over 51 locations, including 13 on the Delhi-Gurugram Expressway, which are prone to waterlogging during this season. The police have also taken preemptive measures like deploying around 1,500 traffic personnel towing vehicles. The police have also tied up with the Municipal Corporation of Gurugram to provide cranes and rope. We have surveyed that the spot where traffic jams are reported due to waterlogging. Timely measure to prevent waterlogging will help avoid traffic snails on major roads in the city, Gurugram Police Commissioner K.K. Rao said. Also, we will be closely coordinating with MCG, GMDA, NHAI and PWD for locating and operating pumps, Rao added. Most common waterlogging spots in Gurugram have been on Delhi-Gurugram Expressway, including Shankar Chowk, Service Road near Ifo Chowk, Signature Tower Chowk, Rajiv Chowk, Hero Honda Chowk, also been identified as prone to waterlogging. Necessary systems have been put in place for towing and parking of vehicles. We have also identified another 45 spots as require immediate repairs. Police have asked municipal corporation to fill potholes in these areas, Rao said. The traffic officials claimed that these spots have been identified on the basis of previous incidents of waterlogging. We have specifically mentioned to the MCG and the NHAI to look into all underpasses on the expressway as they get flooded even if it rains for just 10 minutes. A traffic official said. The underpasses are important as it connects the main roads and when it is flooded, it requires more than 2 to 3 days to drain out water. This should make proper outlets and ensure that there is no flooding. Apart from this, the Gurugram MLA Sudhir Segila recently has visited multiple waterlogging spots and a major traffic junction in the city and gave direction to the related agency officials to take necessary steps to avoid waterlogging and a jam problem during heavy downpour. This is not time for blame game, CM. While Delhi administration faced criticism as a Sunday the national capital was flooded within few hours of rain. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said this is not time for blame game. According to India Meteorology Department, the Sufdarjung Observatory recorded 78.4 mm rainfall in city. Using microblogging site Twitter, Kejriwal wrote, this year all agencies, whether it is MCD or the Delhi government, have been busy with controlling the coronavirus outbreak in the capital. They had to face a lot of difficulties due to the coronavirus. This is not time for blame game. Everyone has to collectively fulfill their responsibility. Delhi in dealing civic issue also faced hurdles due to multiplicity nature of administration and municipal corporation, public work department and Delhi Jal board equally responsible for the desulting task prior to the beginning of monsoon every year. Taking responsibility, Kejriwal said that he personally monitored ground situation on Minto Bridge where two people lost their lives after drawing in closed water due to rainfall. At times when city is under the grip of novel coronavirus, Kejriwal also highlighted dual load on MCD and said road under the Minto Bridge has been cleared of waterlogging. I was in contact with agencies since morning and was monitoring the process of removing water. We are keeping an eye on more such place in Delhi. Wherever there is waterlogging, it is being pumped out immediately, Kejriwal tweeted. While preparing of road is the responsibility of Delhi administration. Gautam Gambhir, Member of Parliament, East Delhi, took a poll shot as Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal as several areas in the capital were flooded following heavy rain on Sunday. Got to hear that the Delhi government is running a rainwater harvesting scheme on the London-Paris Link road. When we will get to see its advertisement, Chief Minister Gautam Gambhir tweeted in Hindi. Notably, the body of 60-year-old man was found after the heavy rain near Minto Bridge area. Meanwhile, the Jal Board chairman and ruling Aam Aadmi Party's leader Raghav Chadha said desilting and clearness of drains in the city got delayed this year because of the coronavirus pandemic. Drains that come under the jurisdiction of the Delhi government and municipal corporation are cleared before the arrival of monsoons, especially in April. This year, all agencies were invested in COVID management, so the work concerned during either got postponed or delayed, said Chadha. Targeting BJP ruled Civic Agency, Chadha said the work could not take place in the scheduling time. Agency could properly get into clearing and desilting of drains only by June. The situation is being monitored by the Chief Minister. We have sent pumps to clear water from the site, the DGP chairperson said. Heavy downpour in the national capital and its adjoining area on early Sunday morning has exposed the frailty of drainage and disposal system. As usual, municipal corporation trained their guns on the Delhi government of doing nothing. Municipal corporation responsible for clearing drains under its jurisdiction started passing the buck on the Delhi government, saying the public work department and the flood of irrigation department did not result big drain resulted in massive waterlogging. Cities drains are maintained by the public work department, PWD, irrigation and flood department of the Delhi government and the three municipal corporation, and instead of close coordination among agencies to desilate the drain before the monsoon. Blame game started every year to shrug off their responsibility, knowing well about the accumulation of water in part of the city owing to soaked drain. SDMC Mayor Anamika said that the civic body has taken all possible measures to deal with the situation of waterlogging. She blamed the Delhi government for the waterlogging in ITO and its surrounding area. The mayor said that the South Corporation has already desilted its drain. Every year people faced with difficulties due to waterlogging, but no concrete steps have been taken by the Delhi government. Several departments and agencies of the Delhi government were approached with requests to complete the resulting of rain with the corporation before the monsoon, but they constantly ignore. The area around ITO comes under the Delhi government PWD and the Delhi Jal Board. SEO of the DGB is overflowing along with the ITO, due to which the situation arises today, she said. The commissioner, along with additional commissioner, regional deputy commissioner, and the other senior official, visited the vicinity of ITO, and the drainage was carried out by 3 super sucker machine, 18 tankers, 1 jetting machine, and 2 pumps. A senior SDMC official said. A senior North Corporation official said that all the trains of the corporation have been merged with PWD drains. Many have been found soaked, resulting in overflowing of water. The corporation tried approaching various agencies responsible for maintaining the drains, but all the efforts went to vain, as Delhi government did not take it seriously, he said. The PWD and the flood and the irrigation department have not acted to get rid of the slit. The corporation is only responsible for the small drains. The main problem is bigger drains which are under government, he said. A call was received around 7:55 am following which a team from Delhi Fire Service reached the spot where a bus and 2 autos were trapped due to waterlogging. The conductor of the bus and the auto driver was safely rescued by the personnel, said Atul Garg, director Delhi Fire Service, adding that the bus was not carrying any passengers.